Number 3 is FLASHFORGE Guider IIS 3D Printer. FLASHFORGE Guider IIS 3D Printer is a top-notch choice for small businesses that require efficient, high-quality 3D printing. With its large build volume of 11.0 by 9.8 by 11.8 and /280 by 250 by 300 millimeters, this printer is perfect for producing larger scale models. Besides, the printer has an auto-leveling system for hassle-free, precise printing. This 3D printer also boasts a high-temperature nozzle reaching up to 300 degrees Celsius, enabling compatibility with various filaments. The printer features a dual platform and a resume printing function that saves time and filament in case of unexpected stoppage or power outage. To ensure a safe and comfortable operating environment, the Guider IIS has a built-in HEPA 13 air filter that can absorb impurities and gases generated by industrial filaments. A built-in HD camera allows for real-time monitoring of the printing process. At FLASHFORGE, customer satisfaction is a top priority. The company offers a 1-month free return and exchange, lifetime technical support, a 1-year warranty, and a reliable 12-hour response service. Overall, the Guider IIS is a reliable, efficient, high-performance 3D printer ideal for small businesses. If you want to purchase the IIS 3D printer, check out the link in the description box below. Number